Mumbai's weather is heading towards a worsened scenario this year, where we see that after the rains, the dust and smoke quantity in the air has increased. At present, I am here at the Reclamation Bridge in Bandra, where you see that the Bandra-Worli Sea Link and a prominent connectivity is completely disappearing from our naked eyes because of the smoke in the air. Today's Mumbai's AQI has reached the 168 limit, which comes under the Poor Air Quality Index. And experts believe that if immediate action isn't taken, the city's condition may soon surpass that of Delhi. This year, the pace of construction projects has accelerated, because of which we see that the dust and smoke in the air has increased, leading to foggy skies in the city. Also, if we travel to from prominent roads like the MTHL, the Vashi Bridge or the Atal Setu, we can see that there have been no clear view of the city at all. The pollution control measures like sprinklers are not being used effectively at the construction sites, where as per the BMC guidelines, whenever a project is under construction, it is important to ensure that there are water sprinklers at these sites, and it is being done so in the morning, afternoon and evening repeatedly. At present, all the efforts are being made, where people have also been suggested to wear cloth masks whenever they head for work. At present, if strict pollution control measures are not being taken, then experts suggest that this winter could result into even worsening the condition, where at this time it is Mumbaikars whose breath is at risk because of such dust and smoke in the air. And also the AQI today has dropped to 168, which can drop further if measures are not being taken. And also people have been advised to take all the measures to ensure that they are not in a state of suffocation, and also viral diseases don't take them within, for which it is the BMC who is also trying to ensure that all the mega projects that Mumbaikars had been gifted this year, be it the Atal Setu or the coastal road or the MTHL bridge, is being looked after, and because of which the pollution control now in Mumbai has increased, and our efforts are being made to ensure that this doesn't worsen.
Yes, sir.
With video journalist Kalpesh, Ms. Sujata Divedi for NDTV 24/7.